Today, I'll show you how to manage and send recurring reports and dashboards via email. Whether you're tasked with regularly sharing insights from your data or simply want to ensure your team stays updated, this guide will make the process straightforward and efficient. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the reporting section of your platform, and from there, go to dashboards. This is where all your dashboards are housed, and it's the starting point for setting up your recurring emails. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section if you're not already, as it's where you'll find all the dashboards you've created or have access to. Once you've reached the dashboard section, you'll want to select the specific dashboard you wish to share. It could be anything from a sales performance dashboard to a customer engagement report. Choose the one that contains the information you need to send out regularly. It's a good idea to make sure that the dashboard is up to date with the most relevant data before you proceed. After selecting your desired dashboard, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a share button. Click on this, and from the drop-down menu, you'll want to choose Email this dashboard. This option will allow you to set up and manage your regular email dispatches of this dashboard's content. Next, a right panel will open up, presenting you with several options to configure your email. The first thing you'll do here is set, is this a recurring email? To yes. This is crucial because it determines whether the dashboard will be sent out automatically at your specified intervals, relieving you of the need to remember to do it manually each time. Now let's give this recurring email a nickname. This label is for your reference only. So choose something that clearly signifies the purpose or content of this dashboard email. For instance, you might call it Weekly Research Snapshot if you're sending out a summary of your research data each week. This nickname will help you easily identify and manage your recurring emails later on. Next, you'll need to specify the recipients. In the recipients field, add the email addresses of those who need to receive this dashboard. Make sure to double check these addresses to ensure the right people are getting the information they need. It's a good practice to confirm the email addresses beforehand to avoid any mishaps in communication. The final step in setting up your recurring email is to define the schedule. Under schedule, you can choose how often this dashboard should be sent out: daily, weekly, or monthly. Once you've selected the frequency, you'll also need to set the specific time for when the email should be dispatched. Consider the recipient's time zones and work schedules when choosing this time to ensure that the email arrives at a convenient time for them to review. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a recurring email for your reports and dashboards. This simple yet powerful feature will help you maintain consistent communication and data sharing within your team or organization. By automating this process, you save time and reduce the risk of missing important updates. If you ever need to make changes, you can always return to the settings to adjust your preferences or update the recipient list. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.